fun animal-themed riddles. Good luck! What did the leopard say after finishing his meal? That really hit the spot. I like to use my long tongue to get to the top of trees. What am I? Giraffe. Imagine this. A swarm of bees are going to attack you. You are running as fast as you can, running for your dear life. They are closing in, about to sting. How can you escape from them? Quit imagining. The height of my legs is taller than most humans. What am I? Giraffe. I'm black and white and loved all over. What am I? A panda. Stealthy as a shadow in the dead of night, cunning but affectionate if given a bite. Never owned but often loved. At my sport considered cruel, but that's because you never know me at all. What animal am I? Cat. I'm a nocturnal flying mammal. What do you call me? Bat. I might be tiny, but I can lift things that are about 5,000 times my weight. What am I? Ant. The cow is my cousin. If you see my name, you'll know what I mean. Moose. What peels like an onion but still remains whole? A lizard. I have the exact same size and shape as a hippo, but I weigh nothing. What am I? I am a hippo's shadow. I hop around, have a pouch, and love eucalyptus. What am I? Kangaroo. What kind of music do rabbits like? Hip-hop. I am an animal you might love. We are best friends. What am I? My dog. If a man would carry my burden, he would break his back. I am not rich but leave silver in my track. Snail. I can fly, I can walk, and I can swim, but I don't get wet. What am I? A bird's shadow. I am a fuzzy animal. I can sleep for a long, long time. I also rhyme with the thing humans need the most. What am I? A bear. What has a trunk but is not a car? An elephant. I am known as the king of the jungle, although I live mainly in Africa bush. What am I? Lion. What kind of mouse do cats dislike eating? A computer mouse. What kind of can never needs a can opener? Pelican. Why do cats make good soldiers? Because they have 9 lives. I wag my tail when I'm happy. What am I? Dog. What did the turkey say to the rooster when he challenged him to a fight? Are you chicken? Why do turkeys get full on Thanksgiving? Because they're stuffed. A prickly house a little host contains. The pointed weapons keep back from pains, so he, unarmed, safe in his fort remains. Hedgehog. What goes in the water black and comes out red? Lobster. I have no sword, I have no spear, yet rule a horde which many fear. My soldiers fight with wicked sting. I rule with might, yet am no king. What am I? A queen bee. I'm a pet that has four legs. I can jump, I can swim, I swing from tree to tree. You might hear me barking, and I'm known as man's best friend. What am I? A spider. Dog.
And that's it for today. Let us know how you did in the comments below.